Hello guys, are you confused between CTQ, CTP and CP? Do you know what is CTQ? Let's first understand about CTQ. CTQ means critical to quality, which identifies the critical part and characteristics which impact to quality of products and resulted in product failure, human safety risk, customer dissatisfaction and product reliability. Let's understand critical to quality with an example to understand it easy manner. Let's assume we have a 5 parts which going to assembled are required for one machine manufacturing. Parts are bolt main body, base connector, shaft and end base. CTQ dimension, the shaft alignment and fitment tolerance between part 4 and part 5 is critical. If this dimension deviates, impact, misalignment, improper assembly, vibration or failure in the machine system. Now let's understand how to achieve defined CTQ for this example of shaft and fitment tolerance in machine. We need to make a control plan to ensure that defined CTQ is taken care in product, and for that we should know the manufacturing process involved to manufacture this product. Based on this we need to define CTP. Let's assume manufacturing process involved assembly, torque, welding, final inspection. Now the second question come in mind. What is CTP? CTP stands for critical to process. CTP means critical to process, which identifies the critical parameter of machines and process involved in manufacturing which impact to quality of products manufactured. Let's understand critical to process with example taken of machine manufacturing. As we have seen the example that manufacturing process involved assembly, torquing, welding and final inspection. Now we have to identify the parameters of machines and process which will impact to quality of product. Let's define parameter of CTQ for shaft alignment and fitment tolerance. Considering the example, first CTQ will be dimension of part 4, shaft, which is critical for alignment, assembly, fit and product performance. Second CTQ will be assembly fit check during manufacturing. Let's define parameter of CTP for shaft alignment and fitment tolerance. Considering the example, first CTP will be welding machine parameter, which impacts to strength of weld and product performance. Second CTP will be jig fixture for assembly alignment accuracy. Now, third question comes in mind, that how to control this parameter to take care of CTQ and CTP to maintain quality of product. Here is the answer. To control CTQ and CTP we need to create a control plan. What is control plan? A detailed plan that describes the methods, measurements, and responsibilities for controlling key process parameters, CTPS, and critical product characteristics, CTQS, throughout production to maintain quality and prevent defects. Now let's make a control plan for shaft alignment and fitment tolerance. See the example of control plan to control the CTQ and CTP parameter and make the quality products and reduce a risk of product failure, human safety and customer dissatisfaction. In example of CTP, you can correlate the CTQ or CTP defined critical parameters, specification. Methods to control those specification. Frequency of control methods and responsibilities. This is how CTQ, CTP and CP works in manufacturing. Hope you understand the fundamental of critical to quality and process. To learn more about these fascinating industry topics, follow me on YouTube and LinkedIn.